starts right now.
Thank you for joining me at 5. I'm Erin Christie. The trial for a Bixby dad accused of leaving a crash that killed his daughter did not happen today as planned. I was at the courthouse where I learned not only could there be a plea deal in the works, the case revealed the DA's growing concerns about the judge. Elliot Benny showed up in court alongside who appeared to be his wife, young children, and parents who are not showing. His manslaughter case got scheduled for a jury trial a year ago, but I heard his attorney tell the judge they're still working on ironing out a deal to keep this case from trial. Prosecutors say Benny rolled his SUV near 171st Memorial and then took off from the scene, winding up in Shakota in another car. His 16-year-old daughter died and other family members injured. Benny told police he had taken a gulp of vodka while driving. Also at issue, Tulsa County District Attorney Steve Kunzweiler is trying to get Judge Sharon Holmes to disqualify herself from the case. According to documents, he's already asked her privately to do so, which she declined, believing the state has a personal agenda against her. So the request now goes to District Judge David Gutten. In it, Kunzweiler lists a shocking number of cases where he puts Holmes' conduct into question. He says Holmes asked a defendant, a construction worker, for his contact information to potentially work on her house. Kunzweiler says Holmes allowed another defendant, a chef, to bring her lunch to work. Kunzweiler also cites instances of her communicating with jurors and said the issue is of grave concern to the state of Oklahoma. Kunzweiler wrote if the judge denied stepping down from the case, he would pursue the appeals court. Right now, Benny's case is moved to February 20th. So this issue does not directly pertain to the Benny case. So I reached out to the DA's office to ask how many criminal cases he is trying to move from Judge Holmes. I did not get an answer, but my sources are telling me it's happened already many times, and it's often happening one day before jury trials are set to begin. 2 News Oklahoma is dedicated to following Elliot Benny's case to the end. We covered the deadly crash when it happened 2 years ago and obtained video of Benny's arrest in Shakota. In my investigation, I uncovered his extensive criminal history involving vehicles, with incidents going back as long as he's had a license. We were in the courtroom for his preliminary hearing, and we asked Benny directly what was going through his head the night of the crash.
Well, Elliot, listen, you're a dad. Talk about why you left the scene of the crash that day, just so people understand.
You can find all of our in-depth reporting on our free 2 News Oklahoma app. Just search Benny to find those stories.